Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I am just doing cleaning of my house. We are doing makeover of my room. This is the paint brush which I use for painting. Right now me and my father both are painting the ceiling. The ceiling has been, this one is completed. I am just painting this one because nobody can see this, and if I will not paint it in a good way, then there is no problem. Right now I am on the drum. You can see I'm on the drum. Look at him. There is so many substance, so many things are kept from here to there, and I was not able to reach here, so I use a blue drum which many people is scared of, but in my home there is also a blue drum which I am using it right now. So I am on the blue drum just to reach here, so that I can reach here and help him a little bit, because he is doing alone, and I don't know how to paint, but I am painting it right over here because nobody can see this place. So if I will paint it in not in a good way, after nobody will notice it. So that is why I am doing it. By the way, I have started to record myself in the morning also, but my mother, she was started to call me. I have already I have that time I have recorded myself for 4 minutes, but she was not stopping herself by calling me. So I need to just stop the video and pick up her call, because if I'm not going to pick her call, she will become angry. So in the fear, I just picked her call up, and my fan is looking so dirty, I know that. But after completing this ceiling, first thing which I will do is to clean the fan, ceiling fan. I don't know what, it's very we are feeling hot. So that is why we have kept our window open, so that some air come into our room and we will feel like good. My work is almost completed. I am done with my work, and right now only few areas are left to paint. And let me tell you one thing, that we have already selected the paint color, which color we are going to use. So in this wall and in that pink wall, we are going to use yellow color, and in this is going to remain same. Like this is going to remain same. We are not going to change the color of here. They are going to just sky blue only. We are just going to change the pink color, because last year, me and my mother, we both painted, and this didn't come out well. Look at the strokes. Whatever you can see, each and every brush which we have done like this, they all are visible. So that is why we have this time we have refused that we will not do this. Instead of us, my father, he will do that. He will do the work, and I will just do the area where nobody can see. So my work is already done. Just need to, I have taken little amount of paint, because I'm a disaster. Whatever I do, I just break it up. So that is why I have taken in small container. I don't know when I will just messed it up. So that is why I'm just taking paint in a small proportion, so that nothing fell down. And if I did some mistake, then I will not able to feel like more paint is not getting wasted. That is why. So I have explanation of everything. Whatever I will do, I have explanation. You don't need to worry about it. done. It's already done.
What is this change?
I was waiting for the drum to get empty. Now he is walking there, so the drum get empty. So I choose it and stand. I stand on it. Look at him. He is also practicing something. I must be thinking where I need to do like next thing. I think I should do it like in the last one. So I'm just going to came down. Oh, I have already completed this one and this sections too. The last is left, so I'm just going to move over there. Look at his container. It's big. And the amount of paint he is using is also like more. So now I am on the floor. I'm just going to side this a little bit so that I get space. And now I will sit here on the ground and I will start painting. So now I'm dipping my brush into paint. I will just take it over here. Oh my god, there's so many dirt. There is dirt. So firstly I need to clean it. For that I'm just taking a bag, paper bag, and I will just wipe it off like this. Look at the dirt. It is very dirty. What should we do? I can also take a bloom, but I have told my father to clean it. He told me that he had done it. But when I see... I'm little like... Let me switch on the fan. On करें? Can I? झाड़ू से भगाइएगा. Sorry for the inconvenience. ये लीजिए. Now he is cleaning. Some small insects are coming and sitting on the wall. This is not at all good. इस लाइट क्यों ऑन कर दी हैं तो? Now it's good. Yes, brother, what happened?
It's on.
Do you have any problem?
No. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस से बोल रहा है तुमने.
Yes.
तो होल्ड का अगर हम सिंगुलर फॉर्म में ही का यूज कर रहे हैं, ही होल्ड्स होगा.
हाँ.
है ना? He holds the glass of water.
He holds the glass of water. So this is, I have already cleaned it. All the things are, I just need to swipe it off. I think this has been done. लाइट ऑन कीजिएगा तो कीड़ा आएगा.
अच्छा कीड़ा बताइए.
एक मिनट then. You have to wait a little bit. I am just going to turn on the light. It's completed. Now I'm doing my work. So it's already clean. I have cleaned it. Now I need to take the dipped brush and place it over here. Just use in such a way that it get painted. So first of all I will just try to bait the wall, and after that look at the position I am sitting. It's a weird position, but let it be. I'm at home, nobody can see me, and just need to paint it over here. I will tell you the incident. When I was painting, some of the paint fell on my eyebrows. My brother was like, "What has happened? What's wrong with your eyebrows? Why it is like looking weird?" And he wiped it. It was like there is paint. So I think that's all for today's video. Till then, bye guys. I'm busy right now, so bye bye. 10 minutes has been completed.